It's estimated that over 170 million children are engaged in child labour, with many involved in textiles and garment.
20% of their clothes that are in their closet. The target audience for fast fashion retailers is largely consumers.
To be talking about the subject, fast fashion. Take it away.
Thank you, Marie. Fast fashion is a growing problem.
Up to 100 billion garments are produced by the fashion industry every year, and each year as much as 92 million tons of clothing.
Allegations against your company regarding the illegal dumpings found